Alright guys, so I decided I would cook them on camera and eat them on camera for you guys, show you guys what they taste like and how to cook them. I'll be using beer batter shore lunch, and so I have about 30 to 40 of these things right here. I will cook them up, and then I will put some beer batter on them, and I'm hoping they taste good. All fish that I catch myself always taste better than the ones they have at restaurants. I love catching and cooking the fish. It always tastes better than the normal fish you eat at restaurants, and so I'm hoping they taste good. And so let's get right to the cooking part. Alright, let's try it out. It looks good. Let's see if it tastes good. That's good. Make some tartar sauce. That's actually really good. My professional chef right here. I'm into Gordon Ramsay. This is definitely 10. Sorry when we don't get this. My puppers. Got how lower a camera. Oh man, I'm just the best chef. I gotta say, it was really good. It actually is. Yeah, I like it. It's actually really good.